Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Liz, and today I'm going to be reviewing the February March Love Goodly box, surprise mystery subscription box. It's all cruelty and vegan, and I'm excited to open this little box up. There's about 4 or 5 items in here. First off is a brush from Aisling Organics. It's a dual-sided Luxe shadow brush, retails for $20. It's perfect tool for any eyeshadow look, as you can buff, blend, and easily line either side of the brush. But don't let this brush be limited to eyeshadow. It can be used to smooth out concealer or line the lips. Cruelty, of course, it's vegan. It's very soft. That would be good for concealer, but I like to use the wand from Shape Tape. And this is a nice fluffy eye brush. Excited to try that. And next we have Fine and Raw Chocolate. Retails for $5. Vegan, or ingredients are organic cacao bean, coconut sugar, organic cacao butter, and sea salt. Looks good. I'm excited to eat that. Try that out. Sea salt, 70%. What else got in here? So this is what it looks like. It's all this confetti stuff in here. I don't like when packages come with this. This is how it came, with all this little inside. It's a big mess with this confetti. I don't like when companies package stuff with this stuff. It's everywhere. The next thing we have is body oil. I don't know about that. I don't know about body oil. I'm already pretty moisturized. Rose Blossom Body Oil. Does it say anything? Skin firming, hydrating, and antioxidant-rich body oil scented with organic rose petals. Apply sparingly to skin. Smells good. Smells like rose. Smells expensive. I don't know if I would put oil all over my body. Maybe a little bit, like it's perfume. And the next thing we have is Gratitude Face Serum. Another thing, like super hydrating. I don't really like face serums. It's a little bit too oily for me. I have like normal to oily skin, and usually using like acne stuff for my face. For all skin, seaweed, algae, Zatique. So I'll give this a try. It smells good. It smells organic. It smells like green seaweed or something green. It smells really good. The description is delightful sea earth mixture is designed to foster a grateful and youthful skin, improves and softens the appearance while provides needed daily hydration, formulated with organic herbs, phytosterols, and oligosaccharide, marine algae, and seaweed. Non-toxic, non-GMO, organic, vegan, and cruelty-free. I don't know. I'll give it a shot. I don't really use moisturizer because my skin's already pretty moisturized. I'm usually like trying to dry it out. The last thing is a Bombshell facial cleansing balm. The description is, it's a luxurious way to remove every last trace of makeup while purifying, cleansing, and refreshing your skin, including a blend of small batch oils, rose hip seed, lavender, and neroli. I don't know what neroli is. And directions: use fingers to apply, blah, blah, blah. Okay, whatever. Smell it. Oh, I hate these. It's such a waste for the environment. A little packaging seal, but I guess you need it for safety. Ooh, it's like wax. Like really waxy. Smells good. Smells really clean and organic. But I don't like this waxy, like oily consistency. Everything seems like really oily and hydrating. Like, it's not really my thing. I'm more trying to take the oil off instead of like the serums and oils and everything. So I'll give it a try and see how I like it. So I guess it's okay. I'm happy to try the chocolate. But the rest, I don't know. The face serum, body oil. I don't know. Everything seems really kind of oily for me. But maybe I'll do a giveaway. Okay. Have a great night, everybody. See you on the next one. I'll link some info for the Love Goodly box, how you can get subscribed to this and the price. Okay, see ya. Bye.